Hey, Dad, your line's running.
Yeah, I know.
All right, y'all, it has been a minute since we threw some big baits into the big rivers. We're doing it today, y'all. We're doing it today. Texas rivers. There's been absolutely a disastrous flood, and we haven't been able to do it, but we're out here right now, y'all. We're on a couple lines. So we got, y'all, we got carps, and we got the big gear. We got the big river, and we got the friends. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put out some steel leaders, some big hooks, some big baits. We can catch some gar, y'all. You on already?
Like first 5 minutes. I might go for it.
Go for it, brother.
It's really small.
Go for it.
No, he's off.
You sure?
He's off.
He's on there. You thought he fell off. 5 minutes in. Eee.
There he is.
You thought he fell
First
off?
5 minutes.
5 minutes are on, bro. Let me get the lasso
I just gotta get him out of
the tree. Good one, man.
5-footer. Already?
Yeah. You're getting hit too?
Yeah. Well, literally 5 minutes in.
5 minutes in. There we go. Dude, he's missing half a gill plate.
Really?
Look. He's missing half his gill plate. There should be a piece of armor that covers this gill. Like here. See this gill plate? He's missing that.
And his mouth is jacked. Look at his mouth.
Yeah. His mouth is a little deformed.
Oh, you're getting run, James.
And me.
Oh, shoot.
All right, 3, 2. And 1. Yeah. We got him, y'all. He's just down deep. I think he's wrapped on something. Let me give him some slack. See if I can get out of this mud. Yeah, he's in there.
Hey, but you did hook up, though. James is on too.
I cast this one over those tree branches. And we gotta get him back over them or through them. Which is one of the reasons I always tell people when they're gar fishing to use 100-pound fishing line, because it helps you with the snags. Let me come see your gar, baby. That's wild. It is a wild little.
Alright, well, first one, 5 minutes in. We got a 5-footer right here, 1.5 pounds. He's about to jump. Oh. Alright, I think he wants to go back already. Okay. He really wants to go back. Oops.
5 minutes, baby.
5 minutes in.
Boom.
Alright, you can.
That.
Fuck it.
All right. I'm gonna go get mine out of the snag if I can.
I'm gonna put the same bait on.
Yeah, he's there. Do you feel the snag? All right, yeah, we were gonna try to lasso the snag out of the water.
Y'all pulling in the snag. I think it's a full tree.
I think it's a tree, man. All right, unlasso it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm up to my knees. Up to my knees. All right, hand me that. All right, y'all, we got another piece of bait up. We had this one hooked up. He wrapped that tree over there. Broke free. So we're gonna send it out again, y'all. We're throwing out one line with a massive bait, y'all.
How rough you on you?
To the semi-moon. All right, so we've been out here. I don't even know, y'all. We caught the first gar within 5 minutes. Dak got that one, nice 5.5 footer. We lost one in the snag. We had a couple more runs. Not ideal fishing spot, not ideal fishing conditions, but we're going, baby. Let's go. Dad, you're gonna have to set early, man. You're gonna tangle everything up.
Yeah, there's also this log right here that's not shutting it.
Boom!
He cut him off.
Came off? Oh! That happens, y'all. With gar fishing, y'all, you never catch every single one. You don't. 85% is a pretty good hookup ratio. Oh! That looks solid. You got him, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Coming in for the assist. Oh, hope you get him on the other side of that tree. You coming, man? He's coming to me. Okay, I'm knee deep. Hold on. The little ones are always the feistiest. It wouldn't be so bad if we weren't knee deep in mud.
I just can't move. I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yeah.
I got him. Wait, he's gonna. Yeah, you got him?
Yep.
You can pull him. Oh, you let him out! Oh, no. Oh, jeez. This mud, y'all.
I'm gonna go get the tools, alright?
Get the tools, man. Give me the grippers. Oh, the little ones, bro.
Ooh.
Backwards, go down.
Yeah, I see it.
Yep. All right, we got the hook out safely.
Nice and easy.
One of the main tricks, y'all, to getting the hook out safely is to set the hook early. Don't let them run for 9 minutes. He's feisty. The little ones are always the feistiest. There we go, James.
First one of the year?
First one of the year for you?
Yeah.
It's crazy because it's August. Depths.
God, there's holes everywhere.
Boom.
There's holes everywhere.
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Woo!
Alright,
Risk it for the biscuit. Dad, how are you the cleanest one out of all of us? I think I think he's cheating, y'all. What, James? We're like knee deep in mud. Dad's over here like toe deep. What? I feel like we're doing literally the dirty work here.
He's taking it easy over there.
Yeah. That's all right. He brought the bait, so we walked down the bank. I don't know, about 50 yards. New section of river. A couple bites. Feeling optimistic.
How are y'all?
Good.
Y'all after gar or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
I rode with him today. No, man, that's fine. Y'all caught any today?
Uh-huh. Yeah, we caught 2. Catch and release, though.
Yeah.
Do you know your DL number?
How big were the ones you caught?
What's their last name?
One was about 5.5, and the other was about 4 foot.
Really? That sticky note's about the bust
Your date
loose
of
off there, man.
Oh. Nah. I got a question, because we do catch and release.
Okay.
And we were talking to a guy at the boat ramp, and I was telling him that the gar limit is 1 per day per person. It's got to be less than 48, right?
Yep.
Less than 48 inches for
Yeah.
alligator gar, right? Yeah, so I was right. He was wrong.
Was he keeping big old long ones?
No, he was fishing for like perch or something.
Oh.
Yeah, he was white bass. He was flicking little lures.
You can apply for a permit
To get bigger ones?
to catch one bigger and keep it, but it's only one for the rest of the year. You
Yeah.
get for the one the whole year.
Gotcha.
Get you a drone. Fly it
I
out.
do have one.
Yeah, he's got one, but you
Get you a
can.
drone and fly out there.
They're just so damn big and heavy to carry down here on a
Yeah,
bank.
it's like a giant box like this
Yeah.
big.
It's like an
You
egg.
can't scout with it, but you can use it to take your bait out.
Yeah.
Oh, is it against the law to scout with them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
That's what I was,
You can only fly the baits out?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good information.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I had no idea.
The bait out.
all right, guys. Good luck to y'all.
All
I
right.
hope you
Take care of
Yep.
yourself, man.
Y'all stay safe and hydrated. Well, that was cool. I had no idea you could not scout with a bait drone.
I knew
And I was right. It is 1 gar per day, and it has to be less than 48 inches in order to harvest it. 3, 2 and a half,
A little tighter.
2 1/4,
Pull really hard. Catch up with them.
2 1/8, 1.
There he is. He's on.
You got him.
The last one's over here?
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, he feels a lot bigger than all the other ones.
Nice. Well, don't overdo him.
Oh, there he is.
Was that him?
That was him.
Was that him, bro?
Dude. What are we, sturgeon fishing?
That was a big old freaking boy. Yeah, make sure your drag's right, man.
It's enough.
Okay.
That's cool. My arm's jello. He's so far out there.
Stuck in the damn mud, man.
I gotta keep up with the weight. The weight.
Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Come on, Dad. Please, dear fish gods, do not let this fish get in the snags.
Oh,
You're in the snag, aren't you?
yep. I'm taking mine out.
Yeah, let him pull.
He's off.
He's off?
He's off.
Sweet.
Bro, do you see where I'm at? I'm in the mud, bro.
I see you're in the mud, man.
Feel like a midget man.
Come on, brother. That's how we Texans do it.
Oh, he's right here.
You gotta get him over here.
I'm not a 5-footer.
It's a fat girl, man. My lasso's stuck behind you somewhere.
It's not stuck on anything right here.
It's knocked in the mud.
Got her.
Big 5-footer.
Got her.
Oh my god, the bite force on these things.
It's wild.
Right.
This one goes by feet.
Oh, sick.
Turn on the white side.
White side?
Yeah. Right there. What are you at, James?
8. 5 feet.
5'8"?
Yep. 5'8". Cool.
5'8".
Close to 6. There you guys. Check that out. Another monster, another 6-footer to start us off. Woo! What a giant. Let's get the release. Ooh.
Dad's out here showing me up, y'all. But boom.
Let's go.
That's what it's about, baby. Nasty conditions. Getting her done. Getting her done. Hey, Dad, your line's running.
Yeah, I know.
Normally we would just set, but you gotta change out your batteries on your GoPro.
Ready, Philip?
Yep. Drop the hammer.
He's off.
He's off? I was like, I didn't hear anything from you, so.
I am wrapped right there.
You're wrapped on something too? Ten lost leaders in the snags, y'all. We knew it was gonna be a grind. Yeah, we are chilling under the umbrella. Whew. That Texas heat is back, baby. It is brutal. We better get out of here. Just want to say thanks for watching. Hit that like button, that helps me out. I hope you love seeing us catch some big old fish. I know we love doing it. Catch you on the next video.